this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland with just over 32,000 miles. This Jeep is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It is 4-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owners. In the front, you will find this Jeep well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors and front tow hooks. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with passive door entry and a dual-pane panoramic sunroof. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black-on-black theme with nice elements such as leather, off-white stitching, and faux wood grain. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Jeep Grand Cherokee. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these heated front seats with leather upholstery and power adjustments on both sides. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see all the tires are 11/32 all the way around, the brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Now, I did say that these front seats were heated, but they are actually cooling as well. So you got heated and ventilated seats here in the front. Let's go ahead and take a look into the back seat. You have a bench seat here. As you can see, you will have independent climate control and heated rear seats with a 115 with USB and USB-C outlets with all-weather floor mats. And in the middle, you will have a fold-down cup holder and armrest as well. Bringing our attention to the rear of this Grand Cherokee, you will notice your LED tail lights, high-definition rear camera, and this particular Jeep is equipped with rear proximity sensors. You will also notice this Jeep Grand Cherokee is equipped with a powered liftgate assist with plenty of space back here. Those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split if you do need the extra cargo space. So you have your button right here. You can access that on your key fob or right here. Coming up the driver's side again, proximity sensors on all the doors. So as long as you have your key fob on you, you're good to go. Your mirrors will also have blind spot monitoring and heated mirrors, a heated option for your mirror. And here you will have all your powered options such as powered door locks, windows, and mirror adjustments, and that does include power folding as well. And it looks like we will have some more seat functions as well as memory seating. Coming into the driver's side, you will notice your steering wheel has power and telescoping abilities here, so very nice. You also have a general lamp selector followed up with your brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting. Once inside, we can confirm just over 32,000 miles, and as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you have a selector for that center screen, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And you will also notice this Jeep does have sport paddle shifters on the rear of the steering wheel, and to the right you will have some adaptive cruise control settings. Up top here, we will have options for your auto start and stop, lane departure, traction control on and off with your four-ways, and you can turn your proximities on and off as well. And as you can see, this vehicle is equipped with onboard navigation and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And once I engage the rear camera, you will notice a crystal clear display with your towing and guidance lines. Down below, you'll have some dual automatic climate controls, fully complete with heated steering wheel and a ventilated seat option with your heated seat options as well. And down below, you have a 12-volt outlet with wireless charging. Additionally, you will have USB and USB-C outlets with an auxiliary for alternative audio. And over here, you will have your selectable driving modes, your dial style selector, and you can customize your ride height right here. You will also have a downhill descent control button with your four-wheel drive option, two cup holders, and a nice deep storage console here. Bringing our attention up top, you will have integrated garage door openers and a live feed rear view camera. So this mirror does serve two purposes: traditional rear view mirror and then a live feed rear view with buttons for adjustment. Up top, you will have your bright LED map lights and controls for your powered sunroof. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we will have a 3.6 liter V6 gas engine. As you can see, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multiple inspection, this vehicle has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where we will go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this vehicle. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make it as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, you will have some slight scratches and some stone chips here on the front of the hood. Your grille inserts are nice and clean, no fading, no discoloration. Your headlights and your fog lights are nice and clear. Coming around to the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that wheel, all the way up to your paint match mirror cap, really good condition. Some light scuffs and scratches here in the passenger side door. Your door handle here on the passenger side is good, slight scuffs and scratches behind. And you will have some light scuffs here on the high gloss black portion on the outer door. Looking inside, very clean, no rip stains, tears, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. And as you can see, your leather seats are in great condition. Coming around to the back seat, let's go ahead and check the door card here, very clean. No scuffs on the backs of the seats, and then your leather seats are in the same great condition as the front. Here on that body line, here on that trim piece, right above the rear wheel and tire setup on the passenger side, you will have some scuffs. Coming around to your taillights, nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading, and no dents or dings to the rear bumper. Everything nice and clean, just small minor cosmetic blemishes. Black is a really tough color, so you will see scuffs and scratches throughout. All the way down, and then coming up to your driver door handle, some slight scuffs around your door handle here. Looks like a paint chip right here, and then your driver door mirror cap is very clean. If you have any questions on this Jeep Grand Cherokee, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process, and it only takes about 10 minutes of your time. So guys, make sure you come out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.